Alright, so here we are today looking at a Craftsman DLT3000. This is a 42-inch mowing deck. It is powered, this particular one, by a 25 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. There you go. 446777, very common. Shares a lot of parts with other not Craftsman engines, but Briggs & Stratton engines. The model number of this unit is right there, 917273461. So there we are, the Craftsman DLT3000. Works good, cuts good. I did have to replace this bar. I did make comment on a previous video that I let somebody borrow this lawn tractor as a loaner while I tuned up their John Deere, and when I got this back, this bar was bent way out to here, and of course it just broke off when I tried to bend it back. So there it is. Thanks for watching.